Welcome. In this video, I will tell you how to easily print invoices in Zubizi ERP Software. At first, head over to Sales. Here you can find all the sales invoices you have already created. Open the invoice you want to print. There you can find the Print button. Click on it, and it will open the default print format that is registered in the settings. As you can see, my default print format have 3 pages: Customer Copy, Office Copy, Transport Copy. If you want to change the pages, you can simply check and uncheck the copy names according to your need. Now, if you want to change the print design completely, click on the arrow next to the Print button. There you can find all the print formats available in your system. Click whichever you need from the list, and it will print that format you choose. That's how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more future updates.